Have a cleaning business? Want more customers? Of course you do. In today's digital world, you need a strong online presence. That's where SEO comes in. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's how you get your website to the top of Google. When people search for cleaning services, you want them to find you. SEO helps potential customers discover your business. Imagine someone searching best cleaning services near me. With good SEO, your website will appear high in the results. This means more calls, more bookings, and more business for you. Don't let your competitors outrank you. Embrace the power of SEO. Watch your cleaning business grow like never before. SEO is a long-term strategy. It takes time and effort to see results, but trust me, it's worth it. By optimizing your online presence, you'll attract more customers and boost your revenue. Let's break down SEO. It's all about making your website attractive to search engines like Google. When Google loves your site, it shows up higher in search results. Think of it like this. Google wants to provide the best answers to people's questions. Your website is the answer to someone's cleaning needs. Make it easy for Google to understand your business. Use relevant keywords throughout your website content. Keywords are the terms people type into search engines. For example, if you offer house cleaning services, use keywords like house cleaning, residential cleaning, or deep cleaning services. Use them naturally in your website text, headings, and image descriptions. SEO isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process of improving your website. Stay updated with the latest SEO trends to stay ahead of the game. For cleaning businesses, local SEO is key. You want to attract customers in your city or region. Local SEO helps you do just that. First things first, Google My Business, GMB. Claim and optimize your GMB listing. It's like a digital storefront for your cleaning business. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number (NAP) are consistent across all platforms. This is super important for local SEO. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews on your GMB profile. Positive reviews build trust and credibility. Respond to reviews, both positive and negative. It shows you care about your customers. When people search for cleaning services in your city, you want to be found. Local SEO helps you rank higher in those specific searches. Section 4. Website optimization. Making a sparkling first impression. Your website is your virtual storefront, so make it shine. It should be easy to navigate, informative, and visually appealing. Mobile friendliness is crucial because more people use their phones to search online. Ensure your website looks great on all devices. A slow-loading website is a big no-no. Optimize images and use a reliable hosting provider. Create separate service pages for each cleaning service you offer. This helps Google understand your offerings. Use clear and concise language to describe your services. Highlight the benefits of choosing your cleaning company. Lastly, include a clear call to action on every page. Tell visitors what you want them to do. Book a cleaning, get a free quote, or contact us today. Section 5. Tracking your success tools for SEO domination. SEO is an ongoing process. You need to track your progress and make adjustments along the way. Google Analytics is a free tool that provides a wealth of information. It shows you how people find your website, what pages they visit, and how long they stay. Use this data to identify areas for improvement. SEMrush is another powerful tool for SEO analysis. It helps you research keywords, track your rankings, and spy on your competitors. Use SEMrush to gain valuable insights and outrank the competition. SEO can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Start with the basics and gradually implement more advanced strategies. Remember, consistency is key. Consistently optimizing your online presence will yield amazing results for your cleaning business.